Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have with us Tunir, who got offer from Deloitte. Congratulations, Tunir, from our team Aim2crack, and thank you for sharing your experience here.
Thank you so much, sir. It's an honor to be here with you.
Okay, so first tell us about the company and the role for which you have been hired.
So basically, Deloitte is a brand under which many professionals work, and the main work that they do is provide audit and assurance consulting, risk and financial management, financial advisory, and tax-related services. The role that they have offered me is for the analyst and consulting department.
Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria and how many rounds were there?
So the eligibility criteria was around 60% aggregate or 6.5 CGPA and above.
Okay.
And all the secretarial branches are eligible to sit for the placement session. There are mainly two rounds conducted in the whole placement drive. The first was the written test, and the second one was the interview, technical plus HR.
Okay, so like in written test, how many sections were there and how long it went?
So the written test was in the written test there were three sections. First was verbal, second was numerical reasoning, and third was numerical computation. So basically, the verbal section checks your English and communication skills, whereas the numerical reasoning section is for determining how good your logical skills are, whereas the numerical computation deals more with how quick you can solve the mathematics.
Okay.
There were different questions, like around every section had different number of questions, around 35, I think, for numerical reasoning and computation. Whereas verbal, there were a little bit less, around 25 to 30 questions, I guess.
Okay. So there were a sectional timer or individual timer is there?
Sir, there was no section, like individual question timer was not there, though there were sectional timers. But the point was, once you view a question, you cannot review the question after you have once answered it.
Okay.
So you have to be very sure while attempting the question that do you want to solve it or do you want to skip it.
Okay.
While solving the paper, the most important thing was to choose which question you need to give your time into and to which question you should skip, so that you attempt all those questions that are present in the test.
Okay, so it's like you cannot go back to the question once you have attempted it.
Yeah, you cannot go back.
So how difficult it was you are able to solve in the given time?
So once given a little bit of practice in your numerical reasoning, I think an average person could solve all the questions in the given time frame.
Okay. So when was the result announced? Like, is there any sectional cutoff they had in this written?
So they hadn't mentioned any sectional cutoffs. After the test was conducted, they just gave out a list of students who had qualified for the interviews.
Okay.
And then they conducted the interviews.
Okay. So how was the interview?
So the interview was pretty amazing and a little bit shorter than what I'd expected.
Okay.
The interview went for around 30 to 35 minutes. The interviewer was too polite to me and was very patient while I was answering all his questions. So the interview started with a basic introduction of myself, like what I studied, where I lived, what were my past internship experiences, what I had learned, and the basic stuff there. Where I explained things, including my projects, and he got interested in one of my project.
Okay.
So he cross-questioned me on that, and half of the interview went on that project only. The project was titled Smart Infant Cradle.
Okay.
He was very curious, he was very curious and very interested in the end product that we are trying to develop using all these technologies that we have learned in our college time. So he cross-questioned about many things, like I'm from instrumentation department, but the project involved many of the computer science technologies. So he was like trying to grasp being from instrumentation, how am I able to cope up with the technologies related to computer science, and do I have any knowledge of instrumentation as well.
Okay.
So he questioned me upon all those things. After that basic introduction, we had a good discussion on my projects and my internship as well.
Okay.
Then he moved on. Then he moved on to asking some basic DBMS questions and basic data structure questions.
Okay.
Like what? Because I had mentioned that on my resume, so he questioned me on those to check if I knew about all those things. Other than that, the interviewer asked me about why am I interested in consulting service rather than going into product design. So for that, I answered him that being from a technical college, I knew all the skills that are needed to develop a solution for a particular problem. But right now, I am more interested in the process that goes into thinking of a solution. And that process I can learn very well in Deloitte, because Deloitte is such a company that involves many domains in its workspace. Deloitte is involved in many sectors in the industry, and being in Deloitte, I would be able to interact with the problems and would try to solve all these problems that are involved in various sectors, and try to learn why and how the problems occur and what can be done to solve these problems. After this, what is done, we can use our technology stack to implement the solutions, maybe it's a digital solution or something else.
Yeah.
So that's what I'd answered to him. Then he moved on to some short term and long term goals and tried to ask me where I was headed and what I had planned. So I answered him that currently I'm looking for working in the industry for at least 2 to 3 years,
Okay.
and then maybe I'll go for my MBA in the future. So he was okay with that. He appreciated me that at least you have planned out something for yourself,
Okay.
and it's good. Other than that, I explained him my other projects, and it was a short explanation. He was not too much into other projects.
Okay. So, what is the suggestion or some kind of information you want to give to juniors or somebody who want to prepare for Deloitte?
Getting selected in Deloitte, the primary expectation of the interviewer is that you should be good at your communication skills, and you should be able to express properly what you are trying to think or what you are trying to give your solution for.
Okay.
So once you do that, most of the part gets done. Other than that, you should be active in, you should have active participation in a few things, and you should be able to show to the interviewer that yes, you have done a few things in your college, and those things you have done on your own, and not like you have cheated somewhere or you have just put them out in your resume to get
Okay.
selected.
Okay.
You
So,
should have some work experience.
yeah, you meant to say that the student should involve in some extracurricular activities, some internships, some projects other than
Yeah,
academics.
it can be anything. The point is that you should be just able to talk to the interviewer in the interview.
Yeah.
If you are able to do that, it's an easy thing to get into the light.
Okay. Okay, Tunir, thank you for joining us. Thank you for sharing your experience. We at Aim2crack wish you all the best for your career at Deloitte. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
हेलो तो कैसी लगी वीडियो इफ़ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल देन प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑल्सो डू राइट इन द कमेंट्स कि आपको इस वीडियो का सबसे इंफॉर्मेटिव पार्ट कौन सा लगा and our social media links are in the description and also our sites link is also in the description, so please check them out.